it's our July Workspace Spark unboxing. This month is out of office, so we hope that you enjoyed a little vacation or a staycation in your city, but let's unbox this box. All right, so of course, our description card. I love this quote, taking a break can lead to breakthrough. So we wanna make sure you're taking your break. Use your PTO, get out of town if you can, or at least do a staycation in your area. So this month we have a USB foldable desk fan. Stay cool this summer with this cute USB desk fan. I cannot wait to use this. My office gets a little hot sometimes, so this is such a cute fan. And it has a USB cord, so cute. All right, next is our out of office glass. I'll be using this tonight with some cocktails. Love it. Probably my favorite thing in the box. I don't know, I'm always so confused, not confused, I'm always trying to decide which my favorite thing, but this might be my favorite thing. I've always wanted one of these in my office. So this is the Zen Garden. So it's a desktop garden. As you see, you have your sand, your rake, your pebbles. And so if you don't know that much about Zen Gardens recreate the dry landscape of Japanese Zen gardens. So they're used for meditation, used to clear your mind, get your mind off of things. So if you have, a really heavy meeting or just received aggressive email from your boss, or things are happening at your job, maybe even in your life, you can use your Zen garden. So you can use your rake here, put the sand and rake it. The idea is to clear your mind and think about nothing else. The rocks and sand recreate kind of nature, and it encourages meditation and the meaning of life, right? And going back to the source of things. So this is probably my favorite thing of this box, and I cannot wait to open it and use it. Next is the I Need Some Serious Me Time journal. So this is by Knock Knock. Knock Knock is one of my favorite products. So it says, a journal to express my secret desire to be left alone for at least a little while every so often, to encourage me to step away from the madness that is in my life and claim some quality alone time with me, myself, and my thoughts. Love it, love it. Hope that you enjoy it. I can't wait to dig in. It does have some prompts for you, as you can see there. So cannot wait to dig in. And last but not least, I don't know, this might be my favorite. Date and Cashew Bites by Sun and Swell. Good, quick little snack to have in your desk, home office, or to just drop in your purse if you need to make a quick run. So I hope that you enjoyed this month's box. Please let me know in the comments what your favorite item is this month. Until next time.